Y'all, it's your boy, Mr. Right Now, I'm back again. Actually, it's still the same day as a birthday drive-by. Gotta love these days. Oh yeah, package came in. Let's see what it is. Hold on. Kinda excited. Burp. Oh, where are you, Mr. Knife? There you are. Let's go ahead and get this box open so we can see what the heck we're about to put on here. Alright, let me flip it around. You need to see me. I'm trying to cut, but look at the camera while I'm cutting, so it looks stupid. That's why I got no hand-eye coordination. Alright, giggity. Alright, let's go put this on the back of Nemesis. Don't cut nobody, girl. Alright. Cue music. Alright. God dang it, come on. Cue music. Okay. Y'all tell what it is yet? Let's keep it going. Ooh, let's do sticky. Get on out of there. Let's go. Get on out of there. My bad, I don't know what y'all was looking at just now, but the bird wasn't there. Come on. I'm gonna do this one-handed bandit style. Come on, man. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see or not. Oh yeah. Carbon fiber diffuser. Let's get it. This is gonna go right here. Just like that. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and get this put on there. And where am I holding the camera? It's gonna be the before. Yep, the before. Can't wait for the after. In a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get this ray diffuser thrown on there, and we're gonna see what it look like, man. I'm kind of excited. Just stay tuned. Guys, we got the old one off. The new and improved about to go on there. See what's going on. Oh, my bad. See what's going on down there. I had to use 2 screwdrivers because I didn't have the little pry tool won't fit in the grooves that was in. They had like extra groove holes in this mug. Couldn't get it, but it's out now though. But we're gonna go ahead and get this clipped in there, and yeah. Fairly quick and simple install. I think it turned out nice. I like it. All right, y'all ready? Boom. There it is. Carbon fiber. Look how it matches the paint good. Yeah, I'm happy. I like it. Went on nice and smooth. Didn't take long at all. Yep. So that leaves 2 more. I have 2 more installs remaining. 2. So hopefully y'all stick around. It's your boy Mr. Right Now, checking out with another video. Peace.